This is a question from Devbrat Chaudhary. He says, can it be said that let me make this mistake for the last time? I will never make this mistake again. Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. So, in fact, we are not doing anything. All the things or activities are done by only the three modes of material nature. So, as long as we are freed from the modes of nature, we cannot say like that way also, because it is not guaranteed. So, that way we need to know that we are not doing that mistake, first of all. We are not committing the sin also. Everything is done by the three modes of material nature. But the only mistake what we are doing is that we are actually attaching ourselves to the results. When the modes of nature are doing all the work and we claim the results, so that's where we are committing mistakes. So we should not be attached to the results. So when we are not attached to the results, then we will not be forced again to perform any such activities. So that is the main thing we need to learn from Bhagavad Gita and follow, that we should not be disturbed by any results. That is the main thing. We are under the modes of nature. There is no doubt about it. Nobody can deny that fact. But we can choose not to get affected by the results, not to get ourselves attached to the results. So when we are attached to the results, then there is a problem. So then we will be again forced by the three modes of material nature. If we are not disturbed by the results, so then we will be freed from the modes of nature. So that way, that's what we should, even if if you know that it's a mistake, you are doing a mistake, because we cannot help, we will be forced. That's what Arjuna himself tells Krishna, that by what one is impelled to sinful acts unwillingly, as if engaged by force. So, but we can choose not to get affected by the results. So because when we are attached to Krishna, then we won't be disturbed by the results. So then we won't commit that mistake again. So that's why this Bhagavad Gita knowledge is very important, and following what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita is very important, and especially spreading this Krishna's message is very, very important. So then rest we will leave it to Krishna. We will, once we get ourselves focused in serving Krishna, we ourselves will automatically forget the material sense objects. So when we forget the material sense objects, when we are not attached to it, we won't be even disturbed by the results, because we are only focusing ourselves on Krishna. So that is the best way to do. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. So does it mean that when we say that let me make this mistake for the last time, we think like this is the last time, but actually it is the modes of nature which is forcing us to do the mistake. And if we do the mistake this time, the modes of nature will force us in the future also, and it will keep on forcing us. So we will keep on repeating the mistake again and again.
Yes. Okay. We can't even say that let me do this last time. We are not doing, first of all. Only modes of nature are only doing it.
They are forcing us to do.
Yeah, they are only doing it. We are not doing it. So we cannot even say that let me do this last time, next time I won't do it. That itself, we cannot even say like that, because if we are attached to the results, again modes of nature will again. So that means saying that let me get attached to the results this time means, then that is not correct. So if we say that let me get attached to the results this time means, that is like pouring oil in the fire. That's what duspurena analenacha. Avritam jnana metena jnanino nitya vairina kama rupena kaunteya duspurena analenacha. So that way, let me enjoy this time. Next time I will not enjoy means, that means we are pouring oil in the fire. So it is going to burn like fire only. So that way we should not be disturbed by the attached to the results.
Thank you, Guruji.